Is your wallet feeling lighter these days thanks to pricey makeup? You're not alone. The cost of cosmetics has become a real sore spot for many consumers. Think about it. A simple tube of mascara, a small bottle of foundation, or the latest eyeshadow palette can set you back a surprisingly hefty sum. But here's where things start to stir debate. Why are those little containers so expensive when the actual ingredients usually cost just pennies? Now, most of us don't realize that when we buy cosmetics, we're not just paying for the product itself. The brand's reputation, celebrity endorsements, packaging, and the promise of miracle effects all get baked into the final price. And this is the part most people miss. Sometimes two similar products, one labeled luxury and the other available at your local drugstore, contain nearly identical formulas. It's easy to assume that the higher price means better quality, but that's not always the case. In fact, cosmetics pricing is one of the most controversial topics in the beauty industry. Should brands be allowed to charge such premiums? Or are they exploiting people's desire to look and feel their best? Some consumers argue that premium brands offer benefits like greater safety, sustainability, or cruelty-free guarantees. But others challenge that narrative, pointing out how marketing drives up costs far beyond what the product is really worth. Let's open it up for discussion. Do you think the high cost of cosmetics is justified? Should consumers call on manufacturers to be more transparent about pricing and ingredient costs? Is it time for a major shakeup in how beauty products are valued? Share your thoughts below. Whether you agree, disagree, or have your own hot take, we want to hear it.